Number 1.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $6,700. It has 232,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline-fed 4.0L V6 engine that was professionally rebuilt approximately 30,000 miles ago. It is equipped with a smooth-shifting 2WD automatic transmission that was refreshed a few years back. Finished in white with a well-preserved blue interior, the truck has been carefully maintained and remains rust-free with attractive paint and an exceptionally clean cabin. Everything on the truck is fully functional, including the air conditioning, which blows cold, and there are no known fluid leaks. It features an aftermarket head unit, a custom exhaust system, a locking fiberglass tonneau cover, and a durable drop-in bed liner. The truck also rides on newer tires with plenty of tread remaining, making it ready for daily driving or light-duty work. Overall, this Ford Ranger is a reliable, well-maintained pickup that combines dependable performance with tasteful upgrades.
Number 2.
1986 Ford F-150, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 129,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, a 4x4 drivetrain with manual locking hubs, and is finished in a beautiful silver exterior paired with a striking red interior. Powered by a gasoline-fueled 5.0L fuel-injected V8, the truck has been upgraded with a complete long block from a 1997 Explorer, including the HO firing order and GT40 cylinder heads, while retaining the original F-150 intake injection system (ECU) and front accessories for reliable performance, built with capability in mind. This F-150 is equipped with a factory towing package featuring heavy-duty springs and axles, a 7-pin trailer connector, and 3.73 differential gears, making it well
suited for hauling and towing.
It also comes with dual fuel tanks for extended driving range, and the battery was replaced less than a year ago.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F-250, price $5,690, finished in a timeless Oxford white exterior with a spacious gray interior. It presents a clean and rugged appearance suitable for both work and leisure. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a dependable 7.5L V8 OHV16V fuel-injected gasoline engine, this truck delivers impressive power and torque, making it an excellent choice for towing, hauling, or confident highway cruising. With 187,000 miles on the odometer, this F-250 has been driven while continuing to showcase the strength and reliability that Ford's heavy-duty trucks are known for. The smooth automatic transmission and fuel injection system contribute to a comfortable driving experience and consistent performance. Inside, the XLT trim offers a spacious gray cloth interior with desirable factory features, including power windows, power door locks, and a quality sound system, providing both convenience and comfort for everyday use.
Number 4.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, well-preserved, original SLE model powered by the reliable 5.7L Vortec V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 133,000 miles, it features a brown exterior, a gasoline-powered drivetrain, a 3-door configuration, and factory power seats. The truck has been exceptionally well-maintained and remains in excellent condition both inside and out. Its clean interior is free of rips, while the dashboard is in perfect condition with no cracks. The body is straight, the exterior presents beautifully, and the truck remains completely stock and unmodified, making it an excellent example for collectors or enthusiasts. Mechanically, it runs and drives great, with a smooth automatic transmission, cold air conditioning, and hot heat, and all features function as they should.
Number 5.
2002 Nissan Frontier, price $5,500. This truck is a reliable 4x4 pickup powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 170,164 miles on the odometer and is finished in gray exterior paint with a gray interior. The truck comes with a clean title and has a current registration valid through January 2027. The vehicle is equipped with power windows and power locks, while the air conditioning and heater are both in excellent working condition to ensure year-round comfort. It also features brand new tires, adding to its overall value and readiness for the road. According to the seller, the truck runs great with no known mechanical issues, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and off-road use.
Number 6.
1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000. It has 195,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a silver exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has been sitting for some time and will need a new set of tires as soon as possible. It was also reported to need an oil pump replacement before being put back into regular service, One of its standout features is the built 502 big block Chevrolet Ramjet engine, making it an excellent foundation for someone looking for a powerful performance truck or a rewarding restoration project. The air conditioning blows cold, adding to its overall appeal. In addition, the truck comes with a large collection of extra parts and accessories. While it does require some mechanical attention, it offers significant potential for an enthusiast or buyer seeking a well-equipped project with a strong engine already in place.
Number 7.
1992 Ford F-150, price $6,800. This truck is powered by the legendary fuel-injected 300 inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission.
The truck runs and drives well, offering dependable performance both on and off the road.
It sits on aggressive 33-inch Super Swamper tires, giving it a rugged appearance and capable stance. The odometer shows 158,000 miles, and the truck is finished in a classic red exterior with a tan interior. It is powered by a gasoline engine and comes with a clean title. While the truck is in good running condition, it could benefit from a little TLC, including replacing the door hinge pins and installing a new seat cover. Overall, this is a solid, honest classic F-150 with plenty of potential for someone looking for a reliable vintage 4x4.
Number 8.
1989 Ford F-150, price $8,000. It has 148,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable inline-six gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. It features a black exterior with a red interior, giving the truck a classic and distinctive appearance.
The vehicle has been exceptionally well maintained and remains in great condition, running smoothly and reliably.
While there are a few minor rust spots on the paint and a couple of small tears in the bench seat fabric, these cosmetic imperfections do not affect its overall performance. The truck is equipped with a Bluetooth stereo system and quality speakers for an improved driving experience, as well as a large locking toolbox mounted in the bed for added storage and security. Originally fitted with dual fuel tanks, it has been professionally converted to a single fuel tank for simpler operation and maintenance.
Number 9.
1997 Ford F-350, price $8,900. This truck is powered by the reliable 7.3L turbo diesel engine. It has approximately 270,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a light blue exterior, a gray interior, and a clean California title. The truck runs on diesel fuel and is currently registered in California. The body and frame are in excellent condition, and it comes with brand new tires, a second set of rims with studded tires, a fully functional 4x4 system, a Class V tow hitch with accessories, and a Rhino-line bed with camper shell guides. The engine overheated and now will not turn over, so it will require major repairs or a rebuild.
Aside from the engine issue, the truck offers a great foundation for restoration with its clean title, solid condition, and desirable power stroke platform. Number 10.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It has 188,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior. While not in perfect condition, it remains a solid and dependable truck.
The engine runs strong, and the 4WD system works properly.
Recent maintenance includes new U-joints on the front driveshaft, a new 4WD actuator, and new spark plugs. The driver's side floor has rusted through, but a metal plate has been installed as a temporary repair. Overall, this Silverado is a good running 4x4 that is ready to drive and offers a strong foundation for anyone looking for a reliable older truck.